Alright, in this Blue Sky video, what we're going to show you right now is how to read in a design off your USB. Rotate this machine. As you can see on the side of the controller unit here, there's a USB port here. That's one. Another one here. Two. And then on the far back side, we have one back here as well, which is port 3. So I'll plug one into port 3. There's 2. And 1. So now we have 3 USBs plugged into our control unit here. There's 4 pages here. First page we're on right here, this is your memory page. Second page is where you can do your editing in your design. So if you want to rotate your design, increase the design, reduce the design, that kind of thing, this is the second page. Third page, this is where you're going to do your color changes for your design. Last page, this would be where you would put your design into embroidery confirm to run your design. So what we're going to do is be on the first page here. USB icon right here to read in a design. Touch that once. And as you see, now we have 3 USBs here. USB 1 is going to be the top one. USB 2 is going to be the second one. And USB 3 is going to be the back one. So to open up the USB you want, you choose 1 for USB 1. There we go. Opens up the designs here. And I have 11 pages of designs on this USB. So if I want to see more designs, I just scroll through to find the design that I'm looking for. Let's say I want this little panda bear here. I select him. I'm going to select him and then install him into memory. So that's the flower and the arrow. So you're selecting it off the USB and putting it into memory. That's this icon here. And then it will ask you, or it's going to tell you where it's putting it. Pattern number, it's going into memory 15. Panda's the name. Hit your green or the check mark here. Takes it straight into memory. So now it's in memory. I backed out. I'll scroll to find him. There he is, right there. So he's in memory 15. Now if I want to view my panda a little bit larger, I can do that with the flower here and the little magnifier. This will bring it up into a kind of a true view viewer, and you can play the viewer just to view it. It draws up the stitches on screen here. You can speed it up, slow it down. This is just a viewer only. And then once you're done looking at it or viewing it, you can back out, quit. So simple as that to read in a design. I'll go over it one more time. USB icon. I'll pick USB 3. That's the one on the back of the machine. Let's say I want this design here, Florida. I'm going to output it to memory. Flower with the red arrow. Tell me where it's putting it. Memory 16. Hit my check mark. Done. Now I come back to my first page. There it is. We can view it. I can play it. So that's how you read in designs off your USB into memory. I'll go over it one more time. USB. I'll choose USB memory port 2 this time. Pick a new design. Select this. Going to output it to memory. Go into memory 17. Hit the check mark. It's in memory. I'll just back out of this screen. And it's going to be on my next page, so I scroll over. There it is. If I want to view it, hit my magnifier glass, and it'll bring it into the screen here, and there we go. Simple as that. Quit, back out, back to memory, second page, first page. So you can get lots of designs in here as well. 100 million stitches or up to 800 designs into memory.